Arsenal loanee Nuno Tavares has been making significant waves at his new club Lazio. The left-back, who joined the Gunners from Benfica in 2021, struggled to establish himself as a key player in his first season. However, his recent performances in Italy suggest that he may have found the right environment to unlock his potential. Tavares has been fielded in various positions during his loan spells at Marseille and Nottingham Forest, but it's at Lazio where he seems to have truly found his stride. In just 3 appearances, Tavares has already registered 3 assists, outperforming his previous tally at Arsenal. Notably, these assists have come against top-tier teams like AC Milan and Fiorentina. Commenting on his debut against AC Milan, Lazio's head coach Marco Baroni spoke highly of Tavares, projecting a bright future for the young defender. Tavares is a boy with great potential. It's no coincidence that he was an Arsenal player, Baroni told Radio Serie A. He did very well against Milan. We were waiting for him because he arrived and had a small problem and stopped. He has incredible potential, and we are convinced that we'll create the right fabric and structure for him to give his best and emerge. While Tavares was an unused substitute in Lazio's 3-0 Europa League win at Dynamo Kiev, he is expected to return to action against Torino on Sunday. The Rome-based side currently sits 8th in the Serie A table, above their city rivals Roma, after 5 matches. With a clause for an obligatory purchase if certain sporting conditions are met, Tavares' future might well be permanently tied to Lazio by the end of the season. If not, he faces uncertainty at Arsenal with his contract set to expire next summer. His recent form could make him an attractive option for other clubs, should Lazio choose not to exercise the clause. At Arsenal, the left-back position has a crowded roster with Alexander Zinchenko and Kieran Tierney, and manager Mikel Arteta has even opted to play center-backs Riccardo Calafiori and Jurrien Timber there instead. As Tavares continues to shine in Italy, the coming months will be crucial in determining his long-term future, either with Lazio or back in the Premier League.